guess what?
What?
Daddy told me you had a you were gonna dream that we were going to Disney. Were you gonna dream that last night?
Yeah, that's what she said. And that's what she got on the radio.
Should we go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go.
No, not now.
Yeah, right now. Come on, let's go.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding.
Come on. Are you?
Look, we're dressed. We got our Disney stuff on. Let's go.
For real?
For real.
Come on.
Our flight leaves in a couple hours.
Mommy, for real?
For real.
Are you kidding?
I'm not kidding. Guess what? We're going to go to Florida today. We're going to miss school for a week.
What do you
I'm
mean?
going to miss my field trip. You're going on a better trip. And then guess what we're going to do?
What?
We're going to go on a cruise for a couple of days.
Today?
A Disney cruise. We're leaving now. Right now. Our stuff's packed.
For real?
For real.
Come
For
on.
real. Come on. Get up, Nate.
And then we're going to go to the parks for 4 days.
I don't want to miss my... I do.
Buddy, you're going to go on a much bigger and better field trip than that any day. And you'll be able to tell all your friends that you went on a different trip. Are you excited?
Are we going to Disney for real?
We're going for real.